Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to reverse a video using Capcut. Reversing a video is a fun and creative editing technique that can make our content more interesting, dramatic, or funny. You have probably seen reverse effects used in transitions, cinematic edits, magic-style videos, or social media clips. The good news is that Capcut makes reversing a video very easy. Even if we are beginners, we do not need any advanced editing skills to do this. Just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, we will know exactly how to reverse a clip and use it creatively in our own videos. The purpose of this video tutorial is to help us understand how the reverse feature works in Capcut and when to use it effectively. Many editors know that reversing a clip is possible, but are unsure where to find the option or how it affects timing, sound, and overall video flow. This guide is designed to show how reversing a video can enhance our edits by creating smooth transitions, rewind-style effects, or unique visual storytelling moments. We will also gain a better understanding of how reverse clips fit into a timeline and how they can be combined with other effects, music, or text. By learning this simple, powerful feature, we will expand our editing skills and gain more creative control over our videos, whether we are editing for YouTube, TikTok, school projects, or personal content. To start, open your Capcut application. Once we are in the Capcut application, click Create a Project. After creating a project, choose Import a video we want to reverse. Choose this, for example. After importing, drag it to our layers. As we can see, the video is normal. There are no effects on it. It is just a normal video. If we want to reverse the video, just click the video and then click this. Under these tools, there is the reverse video. Capcut will automatically reverse this video. The time it takes depends on how long the video is. As we can see, once we play it, it is now fully backwards. We can adjust the scale of the effect. If we want to reverse only a portion of the video, we just have to put it back to normal first. Once it is normal, if we want only a portion of our video to be reversed, we just have to split the video. Let's take, for example, 3 clips. Now we have 3 videos here. If we want one of these to be reversed, such as the middle one, we just have to click the middle and then reverse the middle clip. Once it is completed, let's take this video for example. When we play it, it starts normal and then the reversed portion goes backward. The video is now in reverse mode. That's it. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We now have a clear understanding of how to reverse a video in Capcut and how this effect can be used to make our edits more creative and engaging. With a little experimentation, we can turn ordinary clips into eye-catching content using the reverse feature.